Hello, English learners. Welcome back. I'm really happy you are here today because this video is going to help you speak more clearly and more confidently. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Daniel. And today, you are going to fix some small mistakes that make a big difference in your English.
Yes, small mistakes, but sometimes they make your English sound strange.
Not wrong, just unnatural.
And don't worry, if you make these mistakes, you are not alone.
In fact, almost every English learner makes these.
So Daniel, what's the exact topic we're talking about today?
Today, we are talking about 10 grammar mistakes that you must stop if you want to sound natural and confident.
And the best part is, we are not going to study them,
We are going to use them in real conversations.
so you can remember them and actually speak.
And stay with us, because at the end, you will feel something different. You will feel more confident when you speak.
Okay, let's start.
Imagine this. You meet a new friend, and you want to talk about your day.
Okay, I say, I go to work every day, but today I go to market now. Something feels not right.
Yes, this is very common. You are using present simple instead of present continuous.
So I should say, I go to work every day, but today I am going to the market.
Exactly. That sounds natural.
That feels better.
Good. Let's continue.
I say, I am agree with you.
Ah, this one.
Yes, I hear it everywhere.
We don't say, I am agree. We say, I agree.
I agree.
Perfect.
Okay, next.
You walk into a shop.
I say, give me pen.
Almost.
Give me a pen.
Yes, just one small word. But very important.
Articles are tricky.
Yes, an, the. They are small but powerful.
Don't worry, you will get used to them, step by step.
Let's continue.
I say, I am in home. Is it wrong?
We say, I am at home.
At home.
Good. This is about prepositions. In, on, at.
These are difficult sometimes.
Yes, but you will learn them by hearing and using.
Let's try another one.
Talk about your friend.
He don't like coffee.
Ah.
Oh, wait.
Try again.
He doesn't like coffee.
Perfect.
That sounds much better.
Yes. Small change, big impact.
Okay, next one.
You talk about your past.
I have seen him yesterday.
Close.
I saw him yesterday.
Exactly. Past simple.
This is clearer now.
And if you are enjoying this and you feel like, yes, this is useful, subscribe and stay with us.
Because we are just getting started.
And the next mistakes are even more interesting.
And maybe you are making them every day.
Let's continue.
All right, let's move on to the next common mistake, using more better or more easier.
Oh, yes. I think I said that many times without realizing.
It happens a lot, but in English, you don't need more with comparative words like better or easier.
So instead of saying, this task is more easier, I should say, this task is easier.
Exactly. Short, clear, and natural.
Wow, small changes make such a difference.
Now, let's talk about word order in questions. It confuses many learners.
Yes, sometimes I feel I can't get the order right.
For example, you want to ask, where you are going?
Oh, yes, I've said that many times.
The correct order is, where are you going?
Where are you going?
Perfect. That's how you make it sound natural and fluent.
I feel more confident already.
Good. Next is forgetting -s or -ed endings.
Ah, yes. I hear about that one.
For example, you say, he walked to school every day.
Oh, I should say, he walks to school every day.
Exactly. And for past tense, yesterday I talked to my friend should be, yesterday I talked to my friend.
Ah, now I see the difference.
Yes, small endings, big difference in how natural your English sounds.
So even if I speak slowly, it's better to get these little things right.
Absolutely. And every time you notice one mistake, try to correct it immediately. It sticks in your memory faster.
That makes sense. Learning by noticing and using.
Exactly. And now, let's combine some of these mistakes in a short conversation so you see them in action.
Imagine you meet a new colleague at work.
Okay, go ahead.
Hi, I'm agree with you about the meeting. I go to office yesterday and I talk with my manager.
Okay, let's fix it.
Hi, I agree with you about the meeting. I went to the office yesterday and I talked with my manager.
Perfect. Now it sounds natural and clear.
I feel proud. That's a big improvement. Remember, every time you practice like this, your brain remembers the patterns faster than just reading rules.
So, mistakes are not scary. We can correct them while speaking.
Exactly. And here's a tip. Every time you learn a new word or phrase, try to use it in at least one real conversation today.
Yes, even a short sentence. It's better than memorizing without speaking.
And the more you notice small mistakes, like articles, verb endings, question order, the more fluent you become.
And it doesn't matter if your level is B1 or higher, everyone makes these mistakes.
Correct. Even advanced learners have small grammar slips. The key is awareness and correction.
Okay, I have one question. How do we remember all these rules without feeling overwhelmed?
Simple. Step by step. Don't try to learn everything at once. Focus on one type of mistake for a few days, then another, and use them in speaking.
Ah, that's more realistic and less stressful.
Yes, and you will see your English improving, naturally, over time.
And the great part is, when we practice with real conversations, it sticks better.
Exactly. And here's another small secret. Always speak aloud, even if it's just to yourself.
Really? Just talking to yourself?
Yes, it trains your mouth, brain, and memory together.
I guess I'll look a little funny, but I see the value.
Yes, and your English will thank you later.
And remember, mistakes are part of learning. We correct them, not fear them.
Exactly. And if you follow these steps, your English will sound natural, fluent, confident.
So don't forget to practice today. Correct one small mistake and notice the improvement.
And if you enjoyed this conversation, found it useful, subscribe to our channel, like this video, share with friends, and leave a comment with the mistake you want to focus on next.
Yes, stay consistent, and your English will grow step by step.
And remember, you are not alone. Every learner goes through this journey. Just keep practicing.
Thank you for being here today, and keep speaking, even if it feels hard. It's worth it.
Exactly. Little steps every day, big improvements in time.
And we'll see you in the next conversation. Keep learning, and keep speaking English confidently.
Bye for now. And remember, fix the small mistakes today, speak naturally tomorrow.